Kindness is contagious. Pete. For whoever, in enjoying a kindness, knows how to return one as well, he is a friend more valuable than any possession. Sophocles. Wherever there is a human being, there is an opportunity for kindness. Lucius Annius Seneca. There is a chance to be kind to any cat you meet. Pete. And above all, these put on love, which binds everything together in perfect harmony. Colossians 3:14. Those who are happiest are those who do the most for others. Booker T. Washington. Bring happiness to everyone you meet. Pete.